over how to make some washi tape bookmarks. They're really simple, really fun. It's a great stress reliever, and if you want, you can make them inspirational, so do you. So here we go. All right, so what you need for the washi tape bookmark is cardstock. It can be any color. I'm using pink. I'm using this cutter to make strips, but you can use scissors. Scissors, you're gonna need a ribbon, the hole puncher, and washi tape. All right, so you have your paper, and you're probably thinking, why do I want to make my bookmark? So instead of folding it this is the length of it, and you're gonna fold it in half, and then you're gonna fold it again. And there you go. You have your 4 bookmarks. Now you can just use scissors. I have this contraption, so I'm gonna use it because why not? And cut away. And there you go. I have my bookmark. And now you get crazy with it. You know, what washi tape print do you want to make? Do you want to just do prints on the side, go up and down? I want to do horizontal. And you can cut it off. You can always cut it. You can go around it or cut it off later on. I'm going to go ahead and go around it. So you can go around and cut these off so they're not so thick. You got options. All right, so when you're done, you're gonna get your hole puncher and punch. And then you're gonna put your ribbon through it. And then tie a knot. I usually tie 2 knots. And then I don't want them that long. And you have your bookmark. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.